spot today, and that is the Southern Tire Mart. And I'm joined by Anthony Martin with Southern Tire Mart. Thank you so much for having us today.
Pleasure to be here.
And you guys have a brand new location here, and so tell me just a little bit about it.
Yes, Southern Tire Mart is just a big company based out of Columbia, Mississippi. Now we're doing a lot of automotive retail, which we're getting vehicles ready, service, tires, oil changes, things like that. So we're growing and expanding in this location because we really weren't doing it here. I actually came from a different location I was at about 11 years and grew that retail location, so that's why they brought me over here to grow this one.
And you cannot miss this brand new location located just right off of I-65 on the service road there. And so you guys have been in and out with vehicles all day, but what we want to focus on today is hurricane season. We are in the midst of it, and so what do folks need to keep in mind with keeping their vehicle prepared?
If you have to get up one morning and something's coming in and you have to evacuate, you do want to make sure that your tires are in order, your service has been done, your wiper blades are good. There's a few ways you can check that, or you can just bring it to us, we can check it before you leave, or there's ways that you can do it yourself, and just to make sure that you're roadworthy if you have to evacuate.
And so what are some of the tips and tricks for checking your tires, making sure that the tread is okay?
Okay. One is you can actually take a penny, and I don't know who doesn't have a penny, and you can flip it upside down, and if you put it in between the tread, and if you see Lincoln's entire head, then that means it's time for tires. There's also a wear indicator kind of in between the tread, and if that tread is actually to the wear indicator, then it's time for tires. So either way, that will tell you that if you have at least adequate tread or not adequate tread.
And so what can folks expect to have done here? If they come in, they say, hey, I need to get my vehicle done, what all can you guys do here?
We can check everything. We can check the tires. We can check everything under the hood, make sure your fluids are good, make sure your wiper blades are great, because if you're driving, having to drive, evacuate in the rain, you want to make sure that you can see. So we can do all that. We check everything from the front to the back of the car.
And that's exactly what we're doing here today, making sure that the Storm Tracker truck at Fox 10 is ready to go for hurricane season, because although we can get some lead time with it, it's best to be prepared before we get to that point, and things get a little hectic across the Gulf Coast, and so it's a great time to keep in mind. And so if folks, they want to come in, they want to get their vehicle serviced, how can they go about doing so?
Like I said, we're located right here at 1400 East Side Service, 65 Service Road. They can just come on in, they can call and just see how busy we are. If not, we can pretty much take you at this point in time, because we're not extremely busy, but we can take you right walking in off the street, and we can probably get you in and out fairly quick.
And what days and times are you open?
We're open 7 to 5 Monday through Friday, and 7 to 12 on Saturday only. And we do just a lot of just service stuff on Saturday, just tires, oil changes, and things like that. We don't do a lot of mechanical stuff, which we do during the week, but we don't do that stuff on Saturday. So if you need something checked, just don't stop on by.
There you go. Stop on by. Be prepared for this hurricane season. We'll do our part to keep you updated, but they'll do their part to make sure that your vehicle is also ready to go for whatever happens. Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
As always, we'll have all of that information on our website, fox10tv.com, under the Studio 10 tab.